Hello students, how are you? My name is Kubrom Kindeya. My name is Kubrom. My father's name is Kindeya. I'm your English teacher. Today you're going to learn using many and much. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use many and much with nouns properly. Many is used with countable nouns. It shows an indefinite number of things. It means a large number of things. For example, there are many books on the shelf. Many students are studying their lesson. There were many donkeys on the field. Now, students, make a phrase using many and a noun, like many books, many donkeys, many students, many teachers, etc. The second word that you are going to learn is much. Much is used with uncountable nouns. It shows an indefinite quantity of things. It means a large amount of something. For example, she has much money. He bought much meat. Rahel fetched much water. The child drinks much milk. Now, put either many or much in the blank space. Question number 1. There is blank oil in the bottle. There is blank oil in the bottle. The answer is much. There is much oil in the bottle. Question number 2. The woman has blank food to eat. The woman has blank food to eat. The answer is much. The woman has much food to eat. The woman has much food to eat. Question number 3. Marhawi bought blank books. Marhawi bought blank books. The answer is many. Marhawi bought many books. Marhawi bought many books. Question number 4. She has blank money. She has blank money. The answer is much. She has much money. She has much money. Question number 5. There were blank parents in the school. There were blank parents in the school. The answer is many. There were many parents in the school. There were many parents in the school. Question number 6. He put blank sugar in his coffee. He put blank sugar in his coffee. The answer is much. He put much sugar in his coffee. He put much sugar in his coffee. Question number 7. They have dash houses. They have dash houses. The answer is many. They have many houses. They have many houses. Question number 8. There are blank dogs on the field. There are blank dogs on the field. The answer is many. There are many dogs on the field. There are many dogs on the field. This is all for today. Next time, you will learn another topic. Until then, goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.